Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display order title and order number in mobile layout in WooCommerce WordPress in my account order page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account order page and then you see order title and number. Order title and number display on desktop layout. When we switch to mobile layout, now you don't see any order number or order title, only you see date, status, total. So we are going to display on mobile devices, expand it. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. So we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So we are going to apply this CSS on media screen, maximum width 767 pixel. Now you see, so you can add number according to your requirement and then you see display block, content order. So this is our order title and then you see float left and then we are going to display order number, display table cell important, text line right and then click on publish and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So this CSS only apply on media screen, maximum width 767 pixel. Now publish done. Go to order page again and refresh the page. Now go to mobile layout. So click on it and then you see order number on mobile layout. Expand it. Now go to mobile switch again. Now you see order title and order number. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.